I want to bring in Trent now because we spend a lot of time when we're covering hurricanes and tracking hurricanes talking about different models. And I think the two models we hear about the most are the American and the European models. And a lot of times these models disagree. Now we're seeing a little bit more of similarities between the two models. But can you kind of explain what all these different models mean, how they work, stuff like that?
And simply, what is a model, right? You see it on TV, it's a line or it's a representation like what you're seeing here. It's math. It's algorithms trying to take in the dynamics and the physics of the atmosphere and then project that out. The European model is ran twice a day, so we get two different runs. And the latest one, which came in at roughly about 2 a.m. this morning, has Dorian continuing to move towards the Palm Beach and Martin County coastline late overnight Monday into Tuesday morning, and then starting to make this turn towards the north, riding up the U.S. coastline, or at least the eastern half of Florida. Now, the GFS model, this is the American model. One of the differences, it's ran 4 times a day, and that stands for the Global Forecast Systems. And over the last decade or so, the European model has been a little bit better. It has performed a little more accurate. The last couple of days, the GFS model has been riding a little farther to the north, but the latest run or two has trended south, and now the GFS and the European actually in agreement with a little more southerly landfall. But I want to say this with a lot of caution. These are just 2 computer model runs, and the steering currents are forecast to break down 4 or 5 days out, and a lot of questions and a lot of uncertainty with this particular storm on when and if it will turn.